celebrating Zaran Mangani's victory, then this video is for you. Let me break this down for you. For the first time ever in the history, the world's most diverse city has chosen a Muslim, South Asian, and relatively younger mayor. That alone says a lot about the evolving leadership in America. Imagine someone who's prayed like you, someone who's felt their name was pronounced like you, someone who has been mocked for their actions just like you, standing now as the city's mayor. And so, for a lot of Muslims and South Asians, this victory feels personal. Not just this, but also, Mangani represents a progressive generation. The generation who believes that cities should serve people rather than power. He's the one who talks about housing, transit, working class struggles, and has proved that grassroots ideas can break through, even in a city with power and money. And lastly, it's a global change, because when New York shifts, the entire world notices. This victory sends a message beyond the city limits, and definitely, the definition of who gets to lead is expanding.